How to fix Android smartphone constantly switches from Wi-Fi to mobile network. So if you want to fix Android smartphone constantly switches from Wi-Fi to mobile network, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with the network and internet. Under that, you will have the Wi-Fi option. Tap on Wi-Fi. Now under your Wi-Fi, you will have automatically turn Wi-Fi on. So if you have that toggled on, then you just need to simply turn it off. And the next thing you need to do is just go with SIM card and mobile network. And here, choose the SIM. And here also you will have an option of automatically turn on the mobile data. If you have that option, then you just need to simply go and turn that off also. So if you're searching for the option, you will have the option of network preferences. Simply tap on network preferences, and here you will have an option of turn on Wi-Fi automatically. You just need to simply disable that, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Android phone or your smartphone constantly switches from Wi-Fi to mobile internet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.